She's got humor. She's a giggle at a funeral. Cause everybody's disapproval. I should have worshipped her sooner. If the heavens ever did speak, she's a Lars Human mouthpiece. Every Sunday's getting more bleak. Fresh poison each week. We were born sick, you heard them say it. My church offers no absolute. She tells me worship in the bedroom. The only heaven I'll be sent to is when I'm alone with you. I was born sick, but I love it. Command me to be well. Yeah. Amen. 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 Take me to church.